Yeah, hey guys. Okay, I've done some stuff before 3 o'clock. Like before 3 o'clock, I was like, oh no, it's almost 3 o'clock. What should I do? Then I went back in my world on survival. Then I went mining a bunch. I got some wood for all of this stuff for the kitchen. Hear that cauldron? I got it from the 6 iron, but I had to go mine 1 more iron. And it's fireworks. Well, I kind of cut some sheep's wool. I got this, made some wool, made some dye, and just dyed the sheep. Piggy. Also, well, that's really all, I guess. Close door. It's almost nighttime to do the ceremony. Oh yeah, and I also got some food. That's really all I got. Except from the steak. Wait a minute. You two have to have a baby. Come on, it's Happy New Year's. Kiss at midnight, yay! We got a baby. We got a baby. We got a baby. Oh yeah, guys. Look at this cutie. Here, you can stay with your little mom and dada and your little brother. And your big brother. Big brother. Cool, okay. Guys, I think it's time. Let's eat for our New Year's. Then, let's start off with 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ding, 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 ding. Ding, 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 ding. Let's do the red ones now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ching, 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 ching. Yes, Happy New Year's. Happy New Year's, guys. That's really going to be it for all this video. I hope you have a Happy New Year's. And please support my channel even more this year. I'll make another video tomorrow, don't worry. So, I wish you all a good Happy New Year and goodbye.